Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram account. And once you're there, head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then just go to the three lines. Go to the archive option under how you use Instagram section. There you will find your stories archive and just head over to the story, and once you have highlighted it, you can just add more by going to your profile and clicking on new and just add the next one. This is how you can do it, and just keep on and just tap on next, and then you'll be able to take new highlight in your story without adding to your Instagram story. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.